How to ship internationally on Shopify. I've just logged into my Shopify account here, and from the left hand side we're going to click on settings, and then here we have to go to shipping and delivery. Now you will see this general, all products in other profiles. So here general shipping rates, we just want to click on this. Now once we have clicked on it, it will show us the shipping zones here, and we have to create a new zone. So the zone name is going to be international or worldwide, and we have to check this international. So just click on done here, and it will tell us that the customers won't be able to check out because we have not set a rate, but we will add the rates here. So we can either use a flat rate, we can use a carrier or app to calculate rates, but I'm going to put it as a flat rate here, and I will do $5 for the name is going to be standard international shipping, and it's going to look like this: standard international shipping, $5. I'm going to click on done here. I'm going to click on OK, and now you will be able to ship internationally from your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.